sure. Hey! Hey guys, you want some fresh water? Alright, I know you want to get outside, don't you? Alright. It's a bright day compared to the last few days. Last few days have been really overcast, and then last night they had a big I think a fog come through. Allegedly. I didn't see it. Katie said she saw it. Yeah, so I'm out here watering the trees. Bugs started getting bad. I was like, you know what? Alright. I'm taking out that mosquito shield. Bug net, whatever you want to call it. And I'm loving it. Not too bad, but I was like, you know, why? Why sit there and endure the swatting of gnats that are flying into your ears and your eyes and stuff? I'm gonna take this net right out of my pocket, and I'm gonna enjoy watering. I got a lot of trees to go still, like 15 trees. Anyway, that's all. So today, we're just gonna start taking this thing down. Pretty cool. It also had a lens sort of thing, but I opted, I'm gonna have both. But this seems like it would keep the wood chips out of your face, so I figured, you know what, give it a shot. So we'll go with the Homestead. Let's see what happens when we let me try just doing some simple cutting with it. Oh man. Alright, well, I could be in better shape, but a little bit of a workout. Love it. So I think it's 10 feet. You're supposed to 8 to 12 feet or something like that. You're supposed to clear up till. So we're going to do that. As we want to use the land, we're just going to prune it as we go in, and then not really worry too much about what's beyond it. You know, we'll do stages of, you know, bug eradication and varmint eradication and stuff like that, but for most part we'll prune the area we're going to use, manicure it, and expand as needed. Alright, well, I'm going to wrap this up. We got a baby reveal from my brother-in-law. 5 minutes. So, I think it's done. Chicks and chiggers. Alright guys, you have a great night. Love to hear any tips, tricks, comments, suggestions, whatever. Please leave them in the comments. Have a great night. Bye.